Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So the question I want to ask today is technology making you dumber as a creator? And so the quick answer is yes and no. So getting into the reasons why I think technology is making you dumber is very similar to television. I think anybody could relate with this, where you just spend hours and hours watching television and you become a couch potato. You know, your brain's just there inactive and you're just consuming all this television content. And I think this goes with pretty much anything that is really just plainly entertainment based, and you're just spending a lot of time and you're not creating and you're mostly consuming. And so that's why I say technology is making you dumber, because nowadays with our modern technologies, our internet, our smartphones, we can pretty much clock out anytime we want and just be entertained and consume a ton of stuff. Now, there's definitely nothing wrong with consuming. However, if you are going to be a creator, you want to spend most of your time creating, and that's where technology can actually help you be smarter as a creator. Because what I do is I consume a lot of my content so that I could create more. So that means watching a lot of tutorials that teach me how to make better videos, to be a better content creator, just to be more creative in general. And I think that's where you can leverage the power of this technology. Things like YouTube, where you could learn so much, or pretty much anywhere in the internet, or you could connect with people and communities all around the world that just helps your overall creativity. And I think that's the best use of technology if you want to use this as a creator.
For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool used at GeekOutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.
However, if you just want to use this as a way to be entertained and be consumed, then maybe this part as a creator might not be for you, and it probably will just make you dumber overall, and you're probably not going to be as creative as you could be. And so those are some of my thoughts on how technology can make you dumber as a creator, but how it could also make you more creative and smarter. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you wanted to see my entire YouTube journey, I do have a playlist. I'll leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe.
Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.